So cute. Literally, I'm sitting at my new vanity that I did by myself, DIY. And I'm so excited to show y'all how I did this because I went to the furniture store and they wanted like $299, $399. I literally made this vanity for like $80. So if you want to see how I did it, just stay watching this video. Alright, we are putting together a vanity set DIY. Everything I used will be linked below. I got all the things I needed from IKEA and Lowe's basically. So I'm just putting together the vanity light. These will be, I bought 2 of these. These will be the lights for the vanity set. They plug in. So, you know, if you don't have plugs, I do recommend getting like an extension cord or a surge protector to do that. So now I'm opening the mirror. I got this from Lowe's. There's a lot. So if you want a bigger mirror, you can do that. Little mirror, you know, do you, boo boo. These are the mounting clips I used. And I'm just showing you how I attached it to the wall with screwdrivers. Everything came in the pack. So you do need basic tools to do this. I wanted mine to be kind of professional looking because I'm a little bougie, you know, can't help it. But now I'm just wiping off everything, making it look pretty cute because next I'm gonna start attaching the lights. Yeah, so I'm taking mountain tape and I'm gonna put this at the top and the bottom of the lights. That way I can attach it to the mirror. I'm going for that like Hollywood studio vanity set. That's the look that I was going for. So yeah, everything else is pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna just let y'all watch, check out the vibe. I wanted this to be like a follow along in case y'all wanted to buy everything I got and just play this video while you're building your vanity. That's what I wanted this to be. So just enjoy. If you've made it this far, you might as well give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Alright, I got the light screwed in, and as you can see, I'm not really impressed with the lights. So I went back and I bought some new lights because they weren't hidden. I told y'all the look I was going for. I went back and got some LED lights from Amazon. Like I said, everything will be linked below. I went and bought this after the fact. So depending on if you want warm or cool tones, like real bright like me, that'll determine the type of lights you buy. So period. I'm proud of myself. So best investment ever. I feel beautiful, I feel fancy, I feel fly, and it's right in the comfort of my apartment. Guys, y'all comment below if y'all enjoyed this or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.